Hello and welcome back to another episode of Creative World of Photography and Videography. My name is Jay from Jay's Creative Image. In this episode, we're going to do a high-end skin retouching tutorial using Dodge and Burn tool. This is the picture I'm going to use for this portrait. So we have to make sure that foreground and background color is on. Click D on it and then change it to black or white. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to make a new layer of this picture. And then I'm going to zoom in, filling the screen and see. So we have to remove the blemishes and small imperfection from this picture. I'm going to use a healing brush tool and click it there and change it to current and below. And then other things are same. And then I'm going to retouch the blemishes from this picture. Press the right arrow button to increase the brush size. So I'm going to just sample from the smoother area. Healing brush tool, sample from smooth area, and just click Alt, sample, click Alt, sample, click Alt, sample and remove. Click Alt to sample and remove. So we're going to remove all the blemishes from here. Don't remove the birthmarks and the natural skin textures from this skin. Just remove the blemishes only to keep it everything is just natural. So take your time and remove slowly. For the demonstration purpose, I'm just removing the important parts from this skin texture. So you can just take your time and remove slowly. So I'm going to just speed up this process. I think removal of blemishes looks perfect right now. Yeah, this will look really simple, but you need to take time, right? You need a patience to do high-end skin retouching. So take your time. Yeah, it looks nice and clean right now. In the neck, there are some wrinkles over there, just so you can remove it. So you don't have to remove the wrinkles 100%. So what you have to do, edit, fade healing brush tool, and you can change the opacity from there. So bring the opacity to 0, all the way down to 0. And then bring it up. As you can see, it's changing. So just bring it up, keep it like 80-85%. I'm going to remove few things from this hair. Zoom out and check whether everything's perfect. So it looks perfect to me. Before, after. Yeah, it looks perfect. So we have done the first steps, and the next steps we're going to do is we're going to open a new layer. So Ctrl Shift N and click on a new layer. And then layer, name it Dodge and Burn, and click the mode from normal to soft light. Yeah, click on the soft light and then fill with soft light neutral color 50% gray, and then click OK. So how this Dodge and Burn skin retouching method works is the Dodge and Burn tool hides all the 50% gray. Anything brighter than 50% it brightens, anything darker than 50% it darkens. For example, we can see I'm going to take a brush from there, flow to 100%, and then I'm going to draw something on the face. So whatever it's darker, it darkens. Whatever the brighter in the brighter area, it brightens. Whatever it's 50% gray, you will see nothing. Yes, that means it hides everything. Make a flow 1%. Yes, make the flow 1 or 2%. Just take a brush, and then this is a foreground color. Whatever the area you want to darken, you can darken. Whatever the area you want to lighten, you can lighten. So I'm going to take a brush, foreground color black, and then I'm going to darken the darken area if you want. So I'm going to fit the screen. So make sure that your screen is fit. So another method I'm going to show you to open up this picture in another window. You don't have to go back to zoom in and zoom out and zoom in and zoom out and see the picture. So I'm going to open in another window the same picture. So one window you can just work with the zoom out, and one window you can work with zoom in. So you can just compare how it looks like. So I'm going to go to window and arrange, and then I'm going to see 2 up vertical. So it's going to just keep it one picture both in the separate window, but one is zoom in and one is zoom out, so we can work together. Now I'm going to take a brush and just retouch all paint there in the darker area and light area. So if we want to make darker area lighter, just take a brush and brush the area. If there is any places there is more light, just you can dark with the paint, and then have to press X to toggle between white and black foreground color, background color. For example, if you make a mistake in some areas, yeah, for example, if you did a darker and a lighter color, and if you mess it up something in the skin area, and you can delete using the razor tool, what you have to do, you can create a swatches. So Windows, go to swatches, and you can create 3 swatches like white, black and 50% gray. So I'm going to make a new swatch from there. Click on the plus icon there, just click on that, and that's foreground color already black, so make it black and click OK, and then make another new one. So I have to do toggle to white foreground color now, and then click on the new and change the name to white. OK, then you have to make a 50% gray. So how do you make a 50% gray from there? Click on that, and there's a magical number. Type on the magical number 808080, that is for 50% gray, and click OK. So now you got the 50% gray. So now click on the new icon and then change the name to gray 50%. Click OK. Yeah, now take your brush, click on the swatches, then click on the 50% gray and make it flow 100%, and just draw. You will see it is erasing everything. Remember, make the flow to 1%. Now paint. So I think the dodging and burning looks perfect right now. As you can see in this small window over there, before, after. I hope you guys enjoyed this high-end skin retouching tutorial. So if you like this video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep clicking, keep creating.